Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is part 3 of my video that's gone on and on and on today. We started about 7:30 this morning, cleaning all the trash out of the cars, taking the carpet out of the 54, doing the floors, looking everything over, cleaning everything up. And then it just got too hot earlier, so now I am back and I'm going to be doing the first wash here on the 59. The 54 just got hers. She's drying off, looks fantastic. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in again. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for me tonight. Needless to say, I am pooped. I started, like I said earlier in the video, about 7:30 this morning, scrubbed both these cars down, cleaned them out, but finally got done what needed to get done. Tomorrow, I'm going to shoot pictures for all the potential buyers that are asking questions about these cars. Just going to let them dry really well overnight tonight, but got rid of all the dirt, cleaned them all out. So very happy with the progress today. They are done now. So tomorrow is picture day. I think they look pretty good. All right, everybody, have a lovely evening. Go enjoy that beautiful sunset. Take care.